How to answer what's your weakness? This one question can win you the job. Alam mo ba na hindi sa technical question bumabagsak ang applicants? It's this one simple, innocent-looking question, what's your weakness? Tricky, diba? Pero don't worry, I got you. By the way, this is Yel, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for 4 years now. Okay, so paano nga ba sasagutin ang what's your weakness without sounding incompetent or parang sinisiraan mo ang sarili mo? Step 1, be honest. Choose a real but manageable weakness. Step 2, show awareness. I-explain paano mo ito na-realize. Step 3, share what you're doing to improve. Now, let me give you an example para may idea ka. One weakness I had before was time management. I used to take too many tasks at once, but I realized that it wasn't sustainable. Now, I use tools like calendars, to-do lists to help me prioritize better. And I've seen a huge improvement in my output since then. See what I did there? Honest, self-aware, at may growth. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Kailangan mo lang ipakita na may growth mindset ka. Quick reminders. Huwag masyadong mag-overshare. Hindi to confessional. Piliin mo yung weakness na hindi direct sa job role. Lagi dapat may solution or improvement sa dulo ng sagot mo. At the end of the day, employers aren't looking for a perfect people. They're looking for real people who are willing to grow. So kapag tinanong ka ulit ng what's your weakness, sagutin mo with honesty, confidence, at progress. If this helped you, mention mo na yung mga kaibigan mo na kailangan din ng tulong.